Welcome to Stuff We Love. This is Mike with Family Handyman, and today I've got 5 products to help you winterize your home and save some money on that energy bill. Let's check them out. Here we have the smoke pencil. Now this is a tool that the pros use to find air leaks in your house. But since it's so inexpensive and really easy to use, this is a tool that you could use in your home to find your own leaks. All you have to do is carry it around your house while the smoke is going and find out where the leaks are. The smoke will follow the leak out of a window or through an outlet, and you can seal up your leaks that way. Find them for $36 on Amazon. That is the smoke pencil. Here we have Black & Decker's thermal leak detector. It's an infrared thermometer that when you point it to any wall surface, it'll tell you the temperature of that surface. Now the cool thing about this one is it's got a laser indicator telling you exactly where you're reading the temperature from, and that laser will change to blue when it detects a cold spot and then red when it detects a hot spot, giving you a really good idea of spots in your home where you might want to consider re-insulating. Now these are $30 at Walmart, and that is the Black & Decker thermal leak detector. Now here we have Duck Brand's foam socket sealer. Now these are great for sealing any leaks that you might find around a switch or an outlet. Really easy to use. Take the plate cover off, put one of these on, replace the plate cover, and your outlet or light switch should be sealed. Find them at Walmart. 24-pack costs you $3. Duck Brand's foam socket sealers. Here we have the AIRTAP booster fan by AC Infinity. Now this is a great product if you find yourself with a cool room in the winter or a hot room in the summer. It's got a built-in thermostat and a sensor on the vent side so that if a room gets a little too cold, it'll boost the air into that room to even out the temperature. You can find these things on Amazon for $70. They're really easy to install. Drop them on, screw them in, and plug it into a nearby outlet. Remember, that is the AC Infinity AIRTAP booster fan. Here we have DAP Seal and Peel. Now this is a great product for sealing around drafty doors and windows in the wintertime. It's a really easy to apply caulk, and the best part is that it's temporary. So at the end of the season, you just peel it away. $7 at home centers and online. Remember, DAP Seal and Peel. So there you have it. 5 products that'll help you winterize your home and save money on your energy bill. We at Family Handyman love them, and we know that you will too. See you again next time on Stuff We Love.